Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we do have a variation for one of the BoxyLuxe boxes for June. So we do have two new spoilers that we have not yet seen, and I'm going to go ahead and put up the box here and show you what is going to be in this box, and then I'll point out the two new spoilers, and I'll also be showing you the other variations you could get in your box. So the first thing is the Pharmacy Beauty Honeymoon Glow. The second thing, this is got the Tarte Glow palette. That is the one that is in this box. That one will be a variation between that or the Pro Glow Blush palette or the Rainforest of the Sea palette. Then in this one, you'll see the PYT Mini Turbo Hair Dryer. This will be in every box. Also, the Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic Yogurt Cleanser. And then in this box, you're seeing the Living Proof Dry Volume Blast. This is again another variation product. You will be getting this or the Living Proof Thickening Cream. And then also in this box we see the Trestique Good Vibes Mascara, which this is one of the new spoilers. This is something we have not seen yet. And then we also see the Touch and Soul Prime Essence. Then you will be getting a Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss. And this is going to be from her Lemonade line. And also the last thing we see in the box, and this is another new spoiler, this is the M Green Grass Body Butter. So that and the Trestique Mascara are the two new spoilers. And again, this is going to be one box variation for the June BoxyLuxe box. So guys, I will make sure to keep you updated. More spoilers are coming out. So always make sure your bell is on. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also guys, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Thumbs down if you didn't. Also very hurtful, but understandable. And also guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.